I'm so excited for this math because I realized last night for your homework, bless you, I realized last night for your homework you did an awesome job. Tug your ear if you thought the homework was so easy. Tap your nose if you didn't need any help. Put your finger over your lips if you think you can do the next thing. I'm having you put your finger over your lips because I need it to be quiet so we can get this done, okay? So I said that today we were going to be doing some really awesome activities, and for your awesome activities I have a brand new journal for you. Yesterday's morning warm-up looked very similar to this. It was just the bottom part. I cut the top part off of your morning warm-up yesterday because I never told you what the top part is for in a math journal. Sometimes this top part could be for a drawing, but sometimes it's going to be for, are you ready for this? A word problem. A word problem is super easy. Remember when we were learning about numbers and how we can represent a number using words? We can do it in expanded form, or we can do standard form. Sometimes when you're writing a math problem, you can do it like this using a number bond, or you can use it like a word problem and use words to explain what you're doing, okay? So today we're going to do one as a class, and then I'm going to send you to your seat and you're going to do one independently, and we are going to try to solve it as a class together, okay? So everybody has their very own journal, okay? Elise, at the end of math today, I'm going to have you pass those out, okay? Because you're the distributor. Super. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a true story. Can you handle a true story? Thumbs up. Totally. Awesome. So last night, I got home from work and I walked in the door. Guess what? Hurley started playing with Kitty. But when Hurley plays with Kitty, she chases Kitty around the house. I see Alexis has that problem too. So my story is going to start with Hurley because it's something that I can think of that happened to me yesterday. So Hurley chased Kitty for 5 minutes. My days are blending together. What day was yesterday? What day of the week was yesterday? Yuki?
October 2nd.
It was October 2nd. What day of the week was it? I want to call on you, Justin, but you need to be sitting. October 2nd. On 2. But what day of the week was it? October is the month. I'm so close to calling on you. So close. So close. Justin.
Tuesday?
It was Tuesday. So Hurley chased Kitty for 5 minutes on Tuesday. Well, guess what? This isn't the first time it happened, Darius. It happens every single day. Hurley loves to chase Kitty. I see Summer has a connection with me somehow. Maybe she's seen something like that happen. So on Monday, Hurley chased Kitty for 7 minutes. And I kept saying, Hurley, come! Hurley, come! Hurley, come! And for 7 minutes, she wouldn't come. That happened on Monday. Then, for 5 minutes, Hurley chased Kitty on Tuesday. So those are 2 different days, right? Monday is one day, Tuesday is another. I want to know how long Hurley chased have my number bond that I have to create. But I only have 2 numbers. Where do you think those 2 numbers are going to go on my number bond? Darius? You tell me first and I'll give you the marker.
One of the numbers goes in, and another one of the numbers goes in, and then the total number goes in.
Whoa. I'm going to tell you what he just said, just in case you didn't hear. He said, one of the numbers goes here, one of the number goes here, and then the total number goes there. Can you wait? Can you pass that to a friend who you think knows the total number? Someone who like, totally knows it.
And who's sitting correctly.
And who's sitting correctly. Justin, you were also sitting very nicely.
And Mark.
And Mark was sitting nicely. It's hard when so many friends are sitting nicely. We have so many friends to choose from. Dust your shoulder off. Peter said that 5 and 7, when we put them together, it gives us 12. Rock on. You may have a seat, sir. Your job is done. Your job's done. Now, I have all these boxes over here. What are those boxes for? Sierra?
You put, some of them you put plus, and then the other 2 you put minus.
So I have 2 pluses and 2 minuses. What goes here? What symbol goes here, Jelani?
You have to put the equal sign on all of them.
Dust your shoulder off. That was a thorough answer. That was exactly what I was looking for. So from this number bond, I can create 4 different number sentences. 2 of them are going to be addition, and the other 2, Isaiah, are going to be what? Totally. I want you guys to tell me what it is, so if I call on you, you can tell me one and I'll fill it in. But I'm going to choose a different color. I'll choose green. Sasha, can you give me 1 number sentence?
7 plus 8.
Is it 7 plus 8? Are you
5.
sure? 7 plus 5. And that equals
12.
excellent. Excellent job. Ooh, can someone give me the next addition problem? This is hard. Ayana, you're telling me it's not hard? Go ahead.
It's 5 plus 7 equals 12 because you're doing a turnover fact.
I am doing a turnaround fact. See, when you do addition, all you have to do is flip the numbers. You turn them around. So 5 plus 7 equals 12 as well. Ooh, the subtraction is really... Justin, you're telling me the subtraction's not hard? Go ahead, let's see.
12 minus 5 equals 7.
Oh my gracious! And the last one's always the hardest.
It's dinner.
So many friends know, and so many friends are sitting nicely. This is so hard. Jasmine, you're not the only one sitting nicely, but you are being so patient. Whoa, she said it super fast, too. I'll say it again. She said 12 minus 7 is 5. Wow. Very cool. Okay, so I'm going to read my number story again. Hurley chased Kitty for 5 minutes on Tuesday. On Monday, Hurley chased Kitty for 7 minutes. How long did Hurley chase Kitty all together? How long did Hurley chase Kitty all together, Summer? So I'm going to write 12 minutes at the bottom. Okay? Thumbs up if you can see how we got the answer. Now, did we have to do do some extra work? For sure, right? We did the number bond, and the number bond is doing extra work, but guess what? Just like if you want to be a good hula hooper, right, Medina? You practice, practice, practice. I was watching Isaiah play basketball yesterday in the gym. You must have practiced at that because he is super good. If you want to be good at something, you need to practice,